Welcome my dear student, digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 2, that is related to polynomial, and in today's we are going to start, that is factorization. How to factorize any polynomial when it is in the cubic form, when power is 3. So let's take your question number 8, that is of exercise 2.5. Factorize each of the following. First one is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6b square a. This is the question given to us. So how we can solve this question? That is the task today. Just see here first. First I need to write given question. So given is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So here power is 3 and it is all sign are positive. That means it is look like this one. Even if you are going to expand this identity, that is a plus b whole cube, a cube b cube plus 3ab plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's open it. So it becomes a cube b cube plus 3 is going to multiply inside, so it becomes 3. A is 2 time and b is 1 time. And secondly, 3a is 1 time, but second time b become 2 time. So it is look like this one. So here you have two tricks to solve this question. Let me solve with the first trick. So first I am going to make it perfect square like this one. So let's see. Here is a 8. 8 you can write. 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That means 2 is also 3 times. A is also 3 times. Plus b cube. Now just see this question. Anything that you can take common from here. This is 12 and this is 6. So if I am writing this 12 like that, 2 into 6. 8 is 2 times. Here is 6. A, B. So just check properly what is the common factor between these both lines. So that I need to take out. So let's see, if I am taking this out, so I can take 6 from out, both number out. From here I can take 1A and 1B. So I am taking here 6AB outside. 6AB outside. So what is left inside? From this first bracket, if 6AB is outside, so definitely it left, this 2 is left and 1A left. Plus, from here you can see 6 is outside, A is outside, as well as 1B is outside. But we have here 2B. So definitely 1B is left. So from here, now you can check what is left if we are going to compare it with this identity. So let me write it again. It becomes 2A cube plus b cube plus 6. I can write 3 into 2a b. So now check. It is look like exactly this identity. A cube plus b cube plus 3a b a plus b. So see how I did. First write question as such. Then try to make cubes and try to take common from these two. This is the one way. So in this way you can find out the right answer. Secondly, if you are not interested to do in this way, directly you can solve. That is a cube b cube plus 12a square b plus. Here you need to write overall answer. It become a plus b whole cube. 2a plus b raised to power 3. And it is equals to, that means I can write this term 3 times. So this is the right answer. And you need to write here by using identity a plus b whole cube. And then you can find out the right answer. Let's see in second way. If you are using this one, same identity but by opening. Directly you can find out answer. That is 6ab square. So let me write again. 8 you can write it to a cube plus b cube as such. This one, a and b is clear to me. So what I need to write here? 3a square b. 3 I am writing outside. A square means 4a square, 3 4 are 12, it is clear, and b as such, plus then 3a simple, a is 2a and b square. So see now, it is look like same, a cube b cube plus 3ab, then 3ab square. So it is also same, that is 2a plus b whole cube by using identity a plus b whole cube. So it's up to you which identity you want to use here. Answer remains similar in both the way. So I hope it is clear to you, my dear student, how you can factorize this one. So write it 3 times in this way. You will get the final answer. So tricks, both tricks are okay. You may go with this one, factorize, take common, or no need to factorize, just split it in this way, so it is look like exactly the same. So finally you can come to the answer. Similarly, you can solve the second question, that is all sign are negative. That means method remains similar, just we need to change the signs. It become negative here. So let me change the signs. I want to tell you what is the difference between the both questions. Similarly, it become negative, it become negative, and it become negative. For second answer, just few changes is required, and your question remains similar. But that time you are going to use identity, that is -1, this identity, second time. Similarly, you can solve the question, just you need to arrange the terms according to the need. Here you can see I have taken minus terms on, similarly I have taken common outside, and terms remain similar because both question is similar, the change is in sign. Here it is plus sign, you can see. So if I am taking anything minus outside, definitely it will remain here minus, while minus into minus become plus, one minus is outside and one minus is inside. In this way you can solve all questions.